Okay, and I think we are live. Yes, you're
Already
doing.
live. I'm still doing my
Yeah,
hair.
still doing the makeup. No problem. Good morning.
Yeah, good
Who
morning.
are you, and what brings you to JFall?
So my name is Joost Kaan. I'm a business developer at IO Digital. We've got a lot of Java people, and we're here to see what the newest of the newest is in the Java world, to make sure all our people are up to date, up to speed, and yeah, to get in connection with other Java enthusiasts.
So you're not a Java developer yourself?
No, not really. So I did some programming in university. I did a minor. I did some C, some Python, and some Java. But I realized I like talking more than I like programming. So I rolled into another position in the software world. Yeah.
It's great, like an event like this, that you have both the developer side, you have people who are responsible for projects, for architecture. So those are all the people you meet here.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think that's one of the benefits I have personally, is that I do know the basics, that I can connect with devs on that level. I understand the challenges that they face, the puzzles that they're working on every single day. But I just look at it from slightly a different angle, like, okay, awesome. How can we find a way to work together in this? How can we find a way to organize conference about this? How can we, so I'm always looking at it from that point of view.
You mentioned something about the conference just before we start this interview. Can you
Absolutely, yeah.
tell me more?
Yeah. So IO has a partnership with Amsterdam Java User Group with Geert-Jan. And we organized a small-scale meetup, about 70 people at our Amsterdam office. And that was about Spring Boot and Quarkus mainly, and the differences between them and what you can do with them, etc. And yeah, that partnership that went so smoothly that we decided, okay, let's see if we can scale up, and let's see if we can get other partners connected. So we're now in contact with the Java User Group in Barcelona, and we're trying to organize an AI for Devs conference. We haven't exactly decided a date yet, so as soon as we have concrete information, we'll let you know. But so one of the things that we're really noticing is that AI is being used as a buzzword by management, and it's an annoyance for all devs, and also for me, who's like somewhere in between dev and management. So we really want to organize a conference that is about, okay, so what are the use cases for developers specifically? It's going to be called AI for Devs. And, we want a full conference with only use cases, presentations, no slides, just live coding and knowledge sharing on that subject. Because we do believe AI can make a difference for devs, but show it. Like, don't just talk about it, show it.
I think I do some development still, mostly do doc writing, but I see that AI can help a developer a lot in producing example codes, giving some review or an explanation of a code. But yeah, sure. I think it's really difficult indeed to find use cases in production where you can use it on top of data and bring it outside in the outside world. And I think those are the main challenges.
Yeah, but that's with all new technology. It takes a while until people are used to it and until they know the full value of it, right? And now in the AI boom, it's hard to see, okay, so which things are really useful and which things are marketing tricks, right? And that's a process we are all in at the same time. Even though I'm not developing, I'm also looking at, okay, so which AI tools can I really use to make my day-to-day work easier, right? And that requires experimentation and learning from each other. It requires trying out a tool and realizing, okay, this is just hot garbage. Sure, it looks fancy, but it's not gonna make my work or my life easier. And then sometimes you find the gem, right? And like, okay, this is really going to make my life easier. And that's the process we are all in at the moment.
You're looking for a buzzword filter, something like that.
Yeah, something like that. Maybe we can make an AI buzzword filter.
That filters itself, yeah. What talks are you looking forward to? Did you already select which talks you will attend?
Yeah, I'm being guided by our devs, and a good friend of mine also works at IO. And I'm also specifically looking forward to our own talk. One of our people, Mehmet Akif, he is going to be talking about the pitfalls of the JVM environment. And yeah.
AI talks?
If I can find them, I'm definitely going to check them out. But again, because I'm not a hardcore dev, it's for me also really filtering out which information is relevant for me, what helps me understand the life of devs and the challenges they're facing, rather than really going hardcore into development itself. Yeah.
Have fun.
Thank you very
Enjoy
much.
the talks and the conference.
Nice. Thanks for doing this.
Thank you.
Okay. All good?